Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about my Quiet Set standing fan. If you guys would like some more information on my Quiet Set standing fan, please be sure to check the video description for that. And that is by Honeywell, the brand. Every time I think about Honeywell, I always think about like the old school thermostats, because that's what that's the Honeywell thermostats they used to make, like the older ones that you find on the wall, like the square ones. So when I saw that, I was like, oh, I know this brand and like I trust them. So that's another reason why I went ahead and purchased this fan. But the main reason I bought it is because in the summer, I was just getting so hot. And this is even with the air conditioner on. I was like, I need that fan like blowing on me all night, even if it's like on the quietest, lowest setting. So I'm one of those people, and I know that there's others like me around. Even in the winter, I like to have the fan on me, even though the heat's on and it's chilly out. I like the feeling of the fan being on me. So I know that I'm not alone there. So if you guys are one of those people, I definitely recommend this fan. And it lasts a long time and it's inexpensive as well. Like this is a couple of years old and it's I use it every night and it's still going. So Quiet Set, very easy to use. They have a whole bunch of different options. So this kind of goes from like the lowest setting to the highest. So right now, because it's like November, I usually put it on sleep or whisper. But the Quiet Set is very quiet. It's not a loud fan at all. I have a newborn in my room, so I try to not make too much noise because I need to let him sleep so I can get sleep. And I can have this on and it's not loud or distracting at all. And it's nothing that you need to like figure out how to use. It's very self-explanatory, which is great. So this button just turns it on. So you'll see this light will go on. So it'll tell you it's on the sleep mode. There's sleep, whisper, calm, white noise, relaxed, refresh, cool, and power cool. So this button actually changes the settings. So if you want to put it on calm, you kind of keep clicking it. It'll put it on what you want. And you want to put it back down on sleep, just hit it again and it'll start all over and go from the bottom to the top. Okay. These buttons, I don't really use this, but this rotates the fan. I like it blowing on me constantly. I don't like it blowing all over the place, so I don't use this setting, but if you're someone that likes it, I suggest using it, but you just hit it again to turn it off, and then I'm going to turn it this way because this is like right next to my bed, and this is how I like it blowing like right on my head. Especially in the summer when I was pregnant, I was like, your hormones, everything. I was so hot. I was like, I need to have this Quiet Set fan on me. And then to turn it off, you just push this button again. And then there's this cool setting too. You could put it on for the amount of hours that you want. You want it on 1, 2, 4, 8, which 8 would be a full night. Not like I ever get a full 8 hours of sleep, especially with baby. But if you do want to leave it on for that 8-hour mark, you can do that as well. And then it'll shut off on its own. What I do is I turn it on, when I'm ready to go into bed, and then I leave it on, and then in the morning I just go ahead and shut it off. But honestly, the timer option is nice because there have been times where I completely forgot to turn it off, and I just like left it on all day. So this is the back of it. It's standing. It doesn't like take up too much room either, which I like because my room's already like not that big. So I didn't want anything that was gonna like crowd the room. So it can fit nicely in a corner somewhere. And then my son's room kept getting hot when we first moved in. I didn't have the air conditioning hooked up in his room yet. It's not central air. It's like the ones that you put in the window. So I just left the fan in his room on power cool, and that kept him really cool at night. And I like the sleek black look as well, which just kind of matches anything. So this fan is definitely something that comes in handy. It's lightweight. I could lift it, and then it comes with an extension cord. And then you can see right here, it's plugged into the outlet that's in my closet. So nice and easy to set up. So guys, this is my video for Quiet Set fan by Honeywell, standing fan. I hope you guys found my video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.